Hi everyone, in front of me I've got MOTOROLA Moto G35 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the apps section, which is right here. Then let's scroll down and enter special app access, and here scroll and find install unknown apps. And as you can see, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. Of course, we can change it. Just tap on it, on the specific app, and tap on this switcher. After getting back, you can see that the Chrome is allowed to install something. Be aware, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just tap on the app and tap on the switcher again, and as you can see, the Chrome in my case is not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.